So again, those are my top 5 things to check before flying a drone. Napaka-essential nito, lalong-lalo na sa mga new drone owners. So whatever drone you have, especially sa DJI. So here are my top 5 things to check before flying your drone. So I've been using this part for over 2 years now, and I haven't had any crash in my entire flights. I have a total of 200,000 experience points based sa DJI Go 4 app. And itong tip na to ay napaka-essential, lalong-lalo na sa mga new drone owners. Whatever drone you are using, applicable to sa inyo. So again, here are my 5 top things to check before flying your drone. Number 1 is you have to check your batteries. Check first if it is bloated or not. So yan, so kung marami kayong battery, ipatong nyo lang siya dun sa isa, then makikita nyo naman kung bloated, kung may space between those two batteries, or maglagay kayo ng any flat like ruler para makita nyo. Visible naman yan pagka bloated na siya. And also please check each cells sa mga batteries nyo bago kayo magpalipad. Number 2, always check your propellers. Right, for the propeller part, I always make sure na check ko siya bago ko siya paliparin by removing each propeller. Kasi mostly sa spark owners nagkakaroon ng problema, nagkakaroon ng cracks dito sa hinge na to. Ayan. And you don't wanna risk flying, especially kung may cracks na or tear na dyan sa mga propellers nyo. Make sure na walang buhangin yung motors na by doing this. And mararamdaman nyo naman kung may grit or something sa mga motors. Number 3, always make sure to clean your sensors and cameras. Alright, for cleaning the sensor, dapat meron kayong clean cloth. So make sure na malinis lahat ng sensors. Yan, sa ilalim, sa spark, and sa front. And while on other DJI drones, sa mini is sa ilalim lang, and other drones meron din sa likod. Tsaka, step number 4, make sure you have at least 10 satellites bago kayo magpalipad. And don't forget to set your home point by pressing the GPS dito sa DJI Go app, and then set your home point first.
Please check it on the map.
That's step number 4. Step number 5, bago nyo ilayo yung drone, you have to make sure that the controls are responding properly. So you have to check the forward, the backward, left, right, the ascend, descend, and the yaw movement of your joystick. So again, those are my top 5 things to check before flying a drone. Sana may natulungan ako, especially sa mga baguhan sa drone. And dun sa mga expert or sa mga pro natin pilots, if you have anything to share, please comment it down below para matulungan natin yung isa't isa. Again, thank you very much, and I hope you like the video. I'll be posting sa susunod yung how to launch and land a drone like a pro. So please don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, as well as the notification bell. Thank you very much again, and fly safe lagi tayo, and always follow the drone community rules here sa Pilipinas. Thank you!